Welcome to Pivotal Health's Direct Care mobile app instructions. This video will walk you through downloading the Pivotal Health app, creating an account, and scheduling a house call through Pivotal Health. Go to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and search for Pivotal Health. Download the app and click Open. To make an account, click on Register Now at the bottom of the screen and click on Use Email and Password. Enter your zip code. The Profile Info screen allows you to enter your first name, last name, and please make sure you enter and select your employer. Selecting your employer is especially important to ensure your fee for your house call is accurate. Then enter the rest of your information to create your account. Then select Create Your Account. You'll receive a verification code via email and text. Enter it and verify the code. To start scheduling a visit, enter the address where the visit will happen and select Continue to Scheduling. Next, select a reason for your visit. Then select a time from the available appointments. Click Continue to Confirmation. The screen will show your fee for the visit and other details. Next, you'll need to add a payment method. Then click Book Appointment. A confirmation screen appears with the name of the provider who will treat you. If you have any questions, please call us, Pivotal Health, at 888-688-4746. Thank you.